Hi, I am here to show how to overcome the problem of Samsung S3 or Samsung S3 Neo phone which is not able to use main button or a mid button. I will show a alternative way to use the mid button or a main button using your phone settings. Now you can see that I'm not able to use a mid button or a main button in my phone. For that, you have to overcome that. You have to go for a main menu and select the mobile settings and then select the device settings and then scroll down and go and select accessibility and then scroll down a bit. You will see a tab like assistant menu and you have to turn it on and then you select the choose and edit command and then you will get a choose subscribe like back button, mid button and menu button, and you can get a box like that. You have to select that. If you click on a box which is created on your screen, you will see a back button and menu button and you can use it as a back button and menu button and home. uh, you can also use it as a menu button. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit a like on our video if you like it.